Hi, in this video, we will learn how to use the Tyre Repair Kit to quickly fix a punctured tire. Let's first look at the components of the Tyre Repair Kit. It includes a sealant bottle and air compressor. Now, let's move on to the steps. First, attach the sealant bottle to the air compressor. Next, plug the power cable into the 12 volts front accessory socket in your car. Now, connect the sealant tube to the tire valve and make sure it's securely tightened. Switch on the air compressor to start inflating the tire. This pushes the sealant into the tire through the sealant tube. Fill the tire until it reaches the recommended pressure level, as indicated in the vehicle's manual. Once the tire is inflated, drive immediately to help the sealant spread properly inside the tire. It is essential to keep the speed limit not beyond 80 km per hour. Next, head to the nearest mechanic for a permanent fix. Here is the summary.